trouble.
Speaking of trouble, let's avoid that patrol.
Agreed. Enemy's close.
Enemy here!
Looks like a fight. Good one, Kestis.
I hate probe droids.
Same here.
Enemy closing in!
Not you there.
Stim here, BD. I'm okay.
A coordinated attack? Hard to say. Wouldn't be surprised if they pull us up level. Yeah, the Jedi. Where did you come from?
Yeah, you coming?
Hey, intruder! Our battle survive much longer! A visual contact. Your turn. You want to keep going? They couldn't beat you. I can.
Clear. Dead end.
Let's double back.
Eyes up!
Attack the burden!
Good work, Cal.
I think BD wants you to knock that down.
Now I'm taking orders from a droid. Gotta get up there. Any ideas?
The Emperor turned the Jedi Temple into his palace.
Yeah, that's what the Empire does best. Take something you love and make it something you can't stand the sight of anymore.
How long you been working with Saw Gerrera?
Not long.
There you are. Adversary identified as fragile.
Been looking forward to this tidbit.
You will regret that.
Watch this!
unforeseen.
Ready for more?
Scanners failing.
Hostiles!
It's you. This the end? Acknowledge. I can do this all day.
Enemies down. We got a fight ahead, Cal. I'm game if you are.
Scanners failing. Trivial opposition. Cannot escape.
Take a target. That guy really didn't like you.
Don't think he was a fan of you either.
I don't see a way up.
Let's look around.
Looks like BD found something.
Find something, buddy?
What's he got?
Ascension cable. Workers use them for construction now.
Can you repair it?
Cable's a bit frayed. Not in bad shape. Should be a quick patch job.
So I heard you fought the Empire on Kashyyyk.
Yeah?
Hijacked a walker and broke open an Imperial prison camp single-handed.
That one was BD.
Just the two of you.
And some friends. What about you, new guy? You in this for the credits?
Credits never hurt. But, I have a daughter. Kata. I don't get to see her as often as I'd like, but at least I can provide for her.
Must be hard, being away from her. Is her mother?
She's gone. The Empire took her from us.
Sorry. Taking a lot of people.
More every day. You ever use one of those?
I'll figure it out. It was a scrapper on Braca.
You've been through a lot for someone so young.
Just trying to survive.
Aren't we all? I'm here. Yo, Kestis! We can use that terminal to rotate the billboard. That wasn't so hard. Back to the bridge?
Hope the crew's doing all right. If Gabs gets bored, she might slice into Imperial comms for fun.
She that good?
Too good. Syndicate trained, but got on the wrong side of her employers. Bravo used to fly for the Republic.
Ex-military. That explains a lot. How'd you start working with Coop and Liz?
Cantina on Norsid. Bounty hunter got the drop on me. Twins threw him down a mine shaft. Friends ever since.
Solid crew, Kestis. Hope I'm pulling my weight.
You got us to the senator.
Sounds like he wants to double my cut. That right, BD?
Al, good to see you.
Hey, Bravo. No job ever goes according to plan, does it?
What fun would that be? How's the new guy doing?
Bit of a talker, but good in a fight.
Huh, I'll take it.
Gab sliced the yacht. Senator can't call for help, but he's locked in pretty tight.
You try knocking?
Any sign of Cal?
Batista! Batista!
I just bet the twins of the Senator had you in there stuffed and mounted.
Hey, I want to cut at that.
Hey, Cal, if you die, I get the mantis, right?
Sorry, Gabs. Not mine to get.
So what's the plan?
That yacht's a site in our Rem City.
The Senator has military intel on his personal terminal here. Could give us a fighting chance against the Empire.
Problem is, Captain secured with blast doors. Even the twins can't pry those bad boys open.
How are we getting in?
You fellas get the yacht down, Jetpack. Then I'll work my slicer magic. With my lovely assistant.
I'll grab our transport. Be back before you know it.
Let's do this.